Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to recover deleted data or lost partition on your hard drive using Tenorshare 4DDiG easily. I recovered this drive. In this drive I have many important files. I deleted the file mistakenly. See, my recycle bin and recent file is empty. There is no option to recover my deleted data. So how to recover my deleted data? See full video. 4DDiG Windows Data Recovery is all-in-one solution to perform data recovery and repair for all scenarios. Recover data from laptop and PC, internal and external drive, USB flash drive, South Dakota card, etc. Recover 1000 plus file types including photos, videos, documents and audio. Recover files lost due to accidental deletion, formatting, lost partition, corruption, crash system, virus attack, and so on. Available on Windows and Mac. Recover all lost data under different scenarios: deleted files recovery, formatted drive recovery, lost partition recovery, external device recovery, crashed computer recovery, raw file recovery. You can recover various data types from this powerful Windows data recovery tool. No matter what you have lost, 4DDiG file recovery software is capable of restoring lost files such as images, videos, music files, email, office documents, and compressing files without hassle. More than data recovery, but video repair involved adopting advanced video analysis technique. 4DDiG Windows Data Recovery has the add-on feature to repair corrupted videos. Sometimes the recovered videos and photos may be no longer usable due to corruption. For such situations, you can use the software to repair the corrupt videos and photos. At 30% off, download now, coupon code link below description. Install Tenorshare 4DDiG and run this software. Register the software. I have serial key for registration. See, registration successful. See, I recovered this drive. Name is Sohoi. See, recovering starting. It's taking few minutes for full scanning. Wait a while. See, scanning completed. Around 22 GB data are recovered. Many more old data are recovered. You can see and open file directly from here. Recover one by easily from here. See every file working well. But I recovered deleted file, because I deleted the file mistakenly. Folder name is my doc. See, deleted file is here. You can see my doc file is here. Select deleted folder and select your location, where you recover your lost data. See, all file recovered successfully and all file working well. If you lost your data from anywhere, you can download Tenorshare 4DDiG today and recover your data.